of snow, and our neighborhood has been plowed. People are working on their yard to clear up our own driveway. We had to pay somebody to come and clear our driveway because we're too old now, but Pat went out there and cleared my car and his car, but then he had an incident and he fell and he had to crawl all the way to the door. That's what he told me, and he was so pissed when he came in because I didn't look out there and see what he was doing. I was still sleeping when he went outside, and when I got up and having my coffee, he was so pissed at me. He said I didn't even try to help him. I said, can I help you?
Right.
I didn't know what you were doing, and I didn't know where you were. You just went outside. So it's gonna melt like 2-3 weeks. What? I bet you 2 weeks max.
Think so?
Yeah. That's a lot of snow. You know, that's a lot of snow to melt. Look at that side over there. Look at that. Look at the snow. It's not gonna melt right away. Look at the snow up there too, the mountain. So anyway, it must be beautiful in Massanutten. You know, with the fireplace going and snow watching. Next time we'll have to go there when it snows. Okay, that was our neighborhood, and we're going to the beach for our next vacation. We were supposed to check in last Sunday, but it snowed that night, and we didn't leave because we thought the snow was on Sunday morning, but it happened at night at 10 p.m. So it snowed. We woke up in the morning and there were 1 to 2 inches of 1 to 2 feet of snow, right?
About less than a foot.
Less than a foot, my husband said. But anyway, it was hard to drive out of our driveway, so we decided not to go, and now it's Thursday. We finally are able to go out of our driveway because with the help of Danilo. So today we're going to the beach. Just to, ano ba yun, mahanginan ang mga baga natin.
Just to recuperate from the...
Para malamigan yung lungs namin. Kasi we were cooped up for how many days?
A long time.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. 4 days cooped up in the house. So now we're going to the beach to inhale fresh
Ocean
air. We're going to Virginia Beach, and we'll be there until Sunday. It's
Hopefully
okay.
It's not snowing there either.
No, it's not snowing there. I checked, but it's cold. It's still cold. But where we're staying, they have food restaurant there, so we won't be hungry. Okay, let me drive safely. Chat in a bit. Bye. That's the door, and I really like the design because you come in, you put your stuff here, and then you can put your stuff here too, and then there's the kitchen right away. So the door and then the kitchen. I really like this design. If I have to make a 1-bedroom Airbnb. This is our abode. While we're here at the beach, here's the living room and the kitchen. I like to take videos of the places we're staying because I have Airbnb in the Philippines and trying to get some ideas. Actually, this is nice. Stove is over there. Dishwasher. Sink. And the cabinets. And move over there, Pat. Move away. And that's the... Ano ba tawag doon? Microwave oven. And they have all the toasters, coffee, they have everything. And they have the coffee maker and the dishes. But this is not Airbnb, this is a resort. That, and this is like a house, and they have a double sink. They have the tub. I think it's a jet tub. You know, you can sit in there and you can turn it on and bubbles.
Jacuzzi.
It's not jacuzzi, it's a jet tub.
Jacuzzi.
It's not jacuzzi, it's a jet tub. So anyway, and here's a cabinet, I mean a closet. And they have extra, what do you call it, sheets, blankets. Because this is a 1-bedroom suite. I think the bed is only a full-size bed or a queen-size bed, not a king size. But it's got a TV and oh, it's got a nice balcony. Phew. And there's the beach over there, overlooking the beach, the ocean. I like staying at the beach because when I get up in the morning, I look out, I feel like I'm in a cruise. I feel like I'm on a cruise when I look out there because I see the ocean. It's nothing compared to the cruise, but it makes me feel like I'm on a cruise. But this is the living room. This is a 1-bedroom suite, and it has a sleeper sofa. My friend and his wife is gonna sleep in that bed instead of bringing their mattress, air mattress. So you come tomorrow, early tomorrow morning.
If you like the video of my grandma, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Bye!